Evacuation zones in the gorge have been downgraded as fire crews gain ground on the Rowena fire. At last check, the fire has burned 3,600 acres, and tonight we're told it's 24% contained. We've also learned that 59 homes and 91 other buildings have been destroyed.
And while crews are still fighting the fire, some of the businesses that were forced to close and evacuate are now opening back up. Fox 12's Spencer Shaw stopped by the Dalles Country Club today and has more.
While the Dalles Country Club was able to open up just in time for Father's Day, maintenance crews are still hard at work trying to repair the damage that was done by the Rowena fire. Take a look at this. This is one of the bigger scorch marks at one of these tee boxes, but as you can see, there's little scorch marks all over here. And I don't know if you can see this from home, but every step you take on this golf course, there is just a plume of ash that comes up, really showing you how dry the conditions still are out here. You can even see the scorch line of where the fire stopped right before getting to the greens. And behind this, these 4 trees all have been labeled as falling hazards. So fire crews were out here today on Monday cutting down these trees and putting out any spot fires that have popped up. Wildland fire crews were busy Monday taking out damaged trees that lined the Dalles Country Club.
We can go back there and down back here on 6. You'll see a lot more of the damage that came up to the course.
Country Club President Chad Leeson says he wasn't sure what they would come back to after they were quickly evacuated when the Rowena fire first broke out.
Yeah, hey, there's a fire nearby, and then like an hour and a half later, like, you need to get out of there. And so we shut down the course, started pulling people off and doing what we could to get our maintenance crew out of here, and got about 20 people. So we're on the course that day.
The fire mainly stayed along the south edge of the course, damaging a few holes and fences and getting dangerously close to their clubhouse and propane tanks. But luckily, they only lost one outbuilding.
We just had one shed over by our maintenance shed, just a small one, kind of get caught up because it burned right up to the back of the maintenance shed. Unfortunately, it didn't hit. There's a diesel tank and a gas tank over there, and it burned right up to the back of those.
Monday, the course tried to go back to normal, finally being able to set up their sprinklers again.
Because we couldn't water for 3-4 days, we had no power, so we're really just getting watering back underway.
With only a few scorch marks and a lost shed, Leeson says the course fared much better than some of their neighbors.
One of our employees here, Patrick, lived down the road. He lost everything in the fire. So we're really just hurting with the community.
Now that they're open again, this country club wants to lend a helping hand to those who are not so lucky.
Potentially have a tournament here on the course where all proceeds would go to benefit those that have been affected. And so we're optimistic that we can get that going here in the next couple weeks. While the golf course was able to open back up, other area attractions are still closed, including Myers State Park and the Gorge Discovery Center. Reporting in the Dalles, Spencer Shaw, Fox 12 Oregon.